Hi guys, welcome back to my channel here on Resin. Today I'm going to show you some of the things that I picked up at Michaels. I don't have a Michaels close to my house. There is one just over the state border to the north of me, and I never get up there, but we were going for a drive to kind of get out of the house and Friday, and so we went up and I went into Michaels and then we drove home. But I found some cool stuff, and right before we left, the mailman brought Sophie and Toffee. I am so excited. This is the May Sophie and Toffee box, so if you're interested in checking out some of my finds and this awesome new box, then stay tuned. Okay, so let's get right into it, guys. First thing I'm going to talk about is the wool that I found. None of the craft stores near me have as good a selection as Michaels does, obviously. We have 3 Hobby Lobby stores and 2 Joann stores here, and they don't align with my kind of crafting, I don't think. So I was pretty excited to get to go to Michaels. I wish there was a Michaels store here. Michaels is desperately needed in Northwest Arkansas. If we have enough crafters to keep 5 stores busy, then, Michaels would fit right in, and I would shop there before the other 2 for sure. But, okay, so I found this set of roving wool. I have some needle felting tools, and I didn't have any felt, and there's a very limited supply at Hobby Lobby and not much of anything at Joann, so this is what I found. I have a project in mind, and I will be sharing that after I get busy on that, but I'm really excited about all those colors, and it's so exciting. So the next thing I found was this Sculpey bead making kit, and it has a roller and a bead making drill and a little cutting tool and a felt pad and an easy guide and some sandpaper, and it has everything you need, and it was on the clearance aisle for $4.57. I was shopping the clearance aisle, and it was really cool. So this is a Jane Davenport stamp. It is a face stamp. I just thought it was really cool. It would be cool to do some art journaling with that. And it was also on the clearance aisle for $1.97. And the thing I was really excited about is that Michaels carries resin supplies. Hobby Lobby has a few molds, but that's, and the amazing clear casts and stuff, like the regular epoxy resin, but Michaels has UV resin. I didn't buy their UV resin because I have a lot, because I'm subscribed to the Sophie and Toffee box, but they do have a whole bunch of different colors of UV resin, which I thought was pretty cool. So at some point I may go back up there and buy some of those, but I did buy some coaster silicone molds, so I'm looking forward to trying these out. There's a couple of different ones. And of course this box is nearly impossible to get into. Oh my gosh, it's so difficult. But these are the Color Pour Resin brand molds, and they did look pretty nice. Now there are some markings. I don't know if you can see them in the mold, but there are a few marks, so that anything you pour in these is going to have those marks on it. Like this one has a big scuff mark right here, and this is on the inside of the resin, so you can see that right there. But even so, the square's not too bad. It does have a few scuff marks, so that is a no-no in making molds, but anything that goes in these is going to have, I can get around that because it's going to be a coaster essentially, but I can do other things. But I still like the shapes. I like that there was a square and a hexagon and a circle, so I'll be using those in a few things. If you've got a mold that has scratches or whatever in it, then you can always cover it up with a decoration or something like that, or a doming effect or something like that. So that was most of my haul. And then I also got this mat. Hopefully you can see it. This is a large non-stick mat from Jane Davenport, and it does have a little. It's like a painting tray basically, but yeah, I just like the design, the flowy design, and the fact that it was turquoise is pretty cool too. So, so that is that. And now I have little wool fibers all over. Okay. So now the next thing we get to do is our Sophie and Toffee unboxing. Yay! I'm so excited for this. This is the May Sophie and Toffee Elves Box. And this is their premium box. As you can see, it's very, very nice. I love this color box. This is the same color box we had last month, but I am all about the turquoise and the white, so that just kind of really goes in really well, so that's pretty cool. So let's get into this box. This month's theme is Bubble Tea Cafe. This is the May Elves box. There's lots of cool stuff in there. Now there is no, usually within these there is like the winners for a prior month's contest, creative contest, but since their March and April boxes were so delayed because of the coronavirus, there wasn't really time to do that. So the first thing I've got here is some really cute little designs here. These are like some little stickers to decorate your jars and things. And this is going to be a fun box. Here's some little embellishments, some little crystal looking things here, and some even finer crystal looking embellishments. Those are pretty cool. That kind of looks like sugar, so that'll be fun. We got some little beads here to put inside of our bubble teas. We've got lots of cute little fruits, slices and things that we can decorate our stuff with. We've got some even larger, so we have 3 sizes of these crystal looking things, and these are to decorate, you know, your little foods and all that kind of thing. So we got fine, medium, and coarse, so that's pretty cool. Here we have a kind of a thick, I think this is a thick UV resin. That's so that we can make things like whipped cream looking stuff, and it comes with these cute little decorator tips so that you can pump it out kind of like icing, which is pretty cute. I'm excited to try that. Oh, here we've got some super fine, really fine stuff. So I guess there's 4 different ones of that. We have some really cute pre-made tableware dishes. There's ice cream bowls and cups and, you know, forks and spoons, and there's some cute little straws and all kinds of fun stuff that we can use to create with. And then we've also got some really cool molds. So we'll open this up. I'm excited to try these little molds. So, the first one here, we've got this. This is for a cup, a small, medium, and a large cup. Basically, you put your UV resin in there, and these are a little tricky. You have to be careful and not squish them too much, otherwise you can mess up, you know, your thing. But you just kind of have to be very gentle with them and make sure they're just gently seated in. So that'll be interesting to try. This is kind of finicky. You have to be careful. So this is a mold for the little dome lids for the cups. So that's pretty cute. So you can make little bubble tea. And this is a mold for the straws on this side. And then on the other side is a mold for some cup tops and then a hole for the straw to go through. So that's pretty cute as well. So you can do a domed lid or you can do a flat top for your cup. So that's kind of fun. And then we've got this one. Is a cute little mold. And this one can be used to make some different, you can make like pancake type things. There's like different molds in there, and then you can use the other side as well. So you basically get 4 different sizes of circle molds, and then you could kind of use these for something else as well if you want to. So might be something fun to play with. This is too cute. This is a little here we go, a little cup with a pink straw and a dome lid, so that's pretty cute. There's a lot of stuff in this box. So then we have the Sophie and Toffee pigment dye. This is transparent clear yellow, and then this one is transparent clear brown. So pretty cool. And then this one is transparent clear white. That's pretty cool because I needed some more of this. I use white a lot. And then the last thing is the Sophie and Toffee UV resin for use with silicone molds. This is by far my favorite UV resin. I love using their UV resin. And this is pretty cool that this came because my last box, I got this in my last box, but it came without a lid, so I haven't been able to use it. I didn't want to open it because I didn't have a lid that was the same size. So now that I have the same bottle, I can just reuse this lid for that one and go ahead and get to use that one up. So that's pretty cool. This is a wonderful little box. I'm really looking forward to playing with this. Lots of fun, cute little things to create all kinds of bubble teas and goodies and treats and yummy stuff. And looking forward to really trying this out for the first time. This is a Japanese-made craft product. So let's go through here. So get on the first page. So the bubble tea molds in the 3 sizes: pancake mold, UV resin, pigment dyes, polymer clay fruit slices, miniature bubble tea cup, UV resin for silicone. Oh, that says UV. They had a typo there. This is the little plates or the dishes that were already made up. Fake ice cubes, fake shaved ice, fake coarse sugar, fake fine sugar, boba tea beads. And for the premium box add-ons was the whipped cream nozzles, the Color Art UV LED white resin. It's kind of like a thicker, I think it's, I don't know that it's resin, I'm not sure. I think it's kind of like a silicone that's UV, but I've never used it, so I don't know. Then we have the cafe theme resin film. Oh, so they're not stickers, they're like films, so that's kind of cool. Or maybe they are stickers. They kind of look like stickers. No, it's a film. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, so that's pretty cool. I love the little thing there if anybody wants to use a discount code. So alrighty, that is the May Elves box, and I'm looking forward to creating with that. That's going to be a fun box to play with. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!